Walk into a high-end radiology center today, and you will see incredible precision. MRI and CT scanners are capturing anatomy with remarkable clarity. But if you open the door down the hall, you are likely to hear the loud, constant hum of an aging physical server room. These servers run the PACS RIS, the central nervous system that actually stores, routes, and manages all those medical images. This chart shows a disconnect in modern clinics. The top line represents the rapid advancement of diagnostic hardware over the last 15 years. But down here, the second line tracks the local IT infrastructure managing that data. While the scanners got sharper and faster, the local servers stalled out in the early 2000s. Clinics are spending millions on imaging acquisition, only to throttle their own efficiency with outdated storage. That stagnant line translates into daily clinical friction. It means slow loading times when pulling up a complex study. It means patient data is isolated to specific physical workstations, and it means relying on expensive emergency IT interventions when a hard drive inevitably fails. Clinic owners are hitting a wall. You either write another massive check to replace those aging local servers, or you migrate the entire diagnostic workflow off-site. The alternative is a 100% cloud-native SaaS platform like MedPacks Cloud. This means operating entirely online with zero local infrastructure to maintain. Moving to a cloud platform alters the clinic's financial structure and changes how staff manage every step of the imaging chain. You stop owning, cooling, and defending your vulnerable hardware. Instead, you subscribe to a maintained service. The choice comes down to this. Do you want to maintain physical control over your servers and accept all the hardware risks and costs that come with them, or rely on a stable internet connection and trust a sovereign cloud vendor to handle the backend? Building a local server room is a massive capital expenditure, or CapEx. Before a single patient is scanned, standard industry on-premise systems require an initial investment of around 36,000 euros, nearly 390,000 dirhams, just to buy the servers and the software licenses. This graph tracks the total cost of ownership over a decade. The legacy on-premise model starts with that massive upfront spike. Then it creates a jagged, upward trend of hidden, ongoing costs, specialized air conditioning, failed disk replacements, and mandatory maintenance contracts. And right at the 5-year mark, you are forced to renew the hardware, spiking the costs all over again. Now look at the cloud SaaS model on the exact same timeline. The initial hardware investment starts at zero. From there, it transitions into an operational expenditure, a steady, predictable monthly line, starting around 594 euros a month. You eliminate the financial ransom of traditional systems. Backups, top-tier security protocols, and constant software updates are entirely bundled into that single monthly fee. Then there is the deployment speed. Procuring and installing legacy hardware takes anywhere from 3 to 12 months. A guided cloud onboarding gets a center fully connected and operational in 24 to 48 hours. Moving to an OpEx model changes a clinic's financial strategy. Owners can take massive cash reserves that would have been burned on IT servers and reallocate them directly into buying better diagnostic equipment. The legacy financial model also dictates the clinical workflow. Radiologists are forced to use heavy, client-installed Windows applications, tying them directly to highly expensive workstations inside the reading room. Being chained to a specific desk limits hiring talent across regions. It blocks seamless tele-expertise, and it takes a heavy toll on the radiologist's work-life balance. The cloud solves this with the Advanced Web Viewer, or AVW, a diagnostic-grade tool that runs entirely in a standard browser. Look at this rendering. This is a complex 3D medical scan being loaded, rotated, and manipulated instantly within a standard web browser interface. There are 0 local installations and no clunky VPNs required to access studies with thousands of slices. This speed is possible because of smart medical compression. The heavy computational lifting happens on the cloud servers, not on the local laptop. Multiplanar reconstructions, 3D rendering, and precise density measurements are fully untethered. A radiologist can analyze a complex MRI from their home office or while traveling with the same precision as they would in the clinic. Once you have a stable broadband connection, diagnostic work is no longer tied to the clinic walls. It becomes an internet-bound task that can be performed anywhere.
For decades, a legacy method of delivering results meant handing the patient a physical CD-ROM and large plastic films. This creates high recurring consumable costs for the clinic, and it leaves the patient with a fragile format they can easily lose, and that most modern computers cannot even read. In a cloud-native workflow, the moment the radiologist digitally signs the report, the results are generated and securely stored automatically. This diagram shows the automated delivery path. It starts at the modality scanner, syncs to the cloud, passes through the radiologist's signature, and branches instantly. The patient gets a secure link to a printable PDF, and the referring doctor receives temporary protected access directly to the exact key images they need, without downloading massive files. Sharing medical data requires strict compliance. The entire pathway relies on end-to-end encryption and adheres to sovereign hosting standards like DGSSI and CNDP in Morocco, ensuring the clinic maintains full data sovereignty. If a patient does print their PDF, anti-falsification measures protect the clinic. Every document carries a unique QR code. A physician or pharmacist can scan it to instantly verify the paper copy against the original encrypted archive in the cloud. Transitioning to a zero-paper, zero-CD system achieves near-perfect deliverability and protects data integrity. The only prerequisite is that your patient base has the basic digital literacy to open a secure link. If you recently invested heavily in a local system from GE or Sectra, you might feel trapped by sunk costs, paying high annual maintenance just to view your own images. You do not have to abandon your data. Dedicated migration plans exist to absorb those legacy archives into a cloud environment, giving you modern access at a reduced hybrid cost. There is, however, a clear limitation. If your clinic operates in a region with exceptionally poor, unreliable internet infrastructure and absolutely zero failover options, you should avoid migrating to a 100% cloud architecture. This matrix maps out the ideal candidates. The clearest case for immediate cloud adoption sits right here: brand new clinics setting up from scratch and rapidly scaling multi-site networks. For multi-site groups specifically, cloud architecture is the only practical way to achieve strict multi-tenant data isolation, keeping each center's records secure, while allowing staff to navigate the entire network using a single unified login. At the individual level, this transition gives the radiologists their time back, allowing them to handle higher volumes with greater efficiency, simply because they can read from anywhere. The local server room is no longer an asset, it is a liability. Transitioning to a transparent, cloud-native architecture is the definitive step required to align your IT infrastructure with the cutting-edge medical equipment you already own.